Hi, so I made my website on the musician Bob Dylan. My homepage, I have an introduction to Bob, that he's a musician from Duluth, Minnesota. Unique brand of folk music and rock music has changed popular music many times over. Just a little hook to get people interested. Picture of him, and then I have down here one of the things I admire most about him, which is how much he's changed through his career. And then I have a couple of his iterations. Usually my favorite that I like to listen to, besides maybe the Born Again, he as a protest singer. He started off singing political songs and got him labeled the voice of the generation. And then I had his revolutionary rock star phase, uh, but he stripped the label from before, plugged in, and started making rock music. That was a blend of folk as well, but still alienated a lot of his folk audience from before. And then I have his born again Christian phase, which the first two are chronological, but the next born again there's a phase or two in between, at least. But this change I felt was pretty radical and interesting. Like the first change started to, I said, in the '80s, made a radical change, became a born again Christian, singing songs that sound like fervent religious preaching, and after being accepted as a '60s secular hipster. Dylan threw his fans for a loop again. The next tab I have is recommended listening. I um, choose some of my favorite songs, just like Tom Thumb, Visions, Johanna, Stay in the Doorway. If you click on one, I link you to a music video for that song. I have a description of the song, what I like about it. I didn't really choose necessarily um, the most important songs in his career or something that offers songs that offer like a career spanning retrospective, sort of. I mean, the first two are mid '60s, the next is from the '90s, but they don't necessarily highlight all of this different sounds. They're my favorite songs and um, what I would probably show people first if I wanted to get people into Dylan, into his music. And then finally, my last tab is the gallery tab. I have a bunch of different pictures. This I try to show different phases. Um, this one here, just bottom row second to the right, is his most recent Shadow Kingdom concert that came out a few months ago to one time only streaming. Um, and yeah, that's pretty much it.